guys, welcome back to my channel Funtivity Tube. Today we're going to be making some great Indian tea. When your parents, your mom, your dad come back from office or their work, they must be extremely tired and you want to help them. So maybe you can make some nice Indian tea. Today we're going to be making it. For cooking, we will be needing a pan. For measurements and for drinking, we will be needing a teacup. The ingredients: tea leaves, sugar, and some milk. And if you want to add some flavor to your tea, and that is cardamom. And to crush the cardamom, I'm using this. Let's start cooking a nice, great Indian tea. I'm going to take my pan and put it on the pan. This is my cup. I'm going to make it more than a bit half because when it's boiling, some of the water evaporates. Now I'm going to start. I have poured water and now I'm going to start. Oh, one thing before that. When you switch on the gas, always have adult supervision because you can have an accident with fire. I'm going to put a bit low. That's enough. Now, since the water is going to take a bit of time to boil, I'm going to crush the cardamom. So I'm going to take one cardamom. Okay, it's not coming out. One cardamom. Okay. That's enough. Let's just put this aside and there I'll put it. Okay, I have put it. Now let's just put this aside. Now I think I'll just, that's enough. And now time to put the tea leaves. I'm only gonna take 1 teaspoon. I think that's enough. And pour it. Good. Now we're going to put sugar. I have teaspoon. I'm going to put just teaspoon. There we go. I think a bit more. Good. That's good. Now let's stir it. This might be a bit hot, so just gonna lower the gas. Okay, it's starting to get darker. Just mixing it. Oh my god, the smell of cardamom is so great. Now, I'm going to let it cook for 2 minutes. There we go. Okay, it's boiling, so yeah. Now, since it's cooked well, it's time to add the milk. There you go. And I'm going to pour half a cup. Okay. A bit more. Okay, I think that's enough. Now, let's pour it. Okay. There's our tea. Now I'm going to let it cook on medium gas. Cook it for 3 to 4 minutes on medium gas. Now I think our tea looks done, and now I'm going to switch on the gas and strain it. There we go. Now I'm going to put my strainer on my cup. Take my tea and pour it. It has been strained. Let's just put this aside. Take this. Okay, there we go. I'm going to put this strainer maybe here. There we go. Tea is ready. Now my dad's back from office, and I'm going to give that cup of tea to him. Here's your cup of tea.
Thank you. Wow, it's so refreshing. I can have full cup.
I hope you like this video, and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.